Hey guys, it's Chicken Arnold, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to not be a boring person. Let's get straight into it. So first of all, guys, you have to understand one thing, and this is tip number 1, is that being boring, it's not a personal trait. It's something that we all feel time to time when we're in class, when we're doing something boring, but you are not a boring person. Sure, if you took somebody on a trip or somewhere that is boring to them, they might think, oh, he's a boring person. You know, that was not what I like to do, so he's a boring person. But you have to know that you are not a boring person, all right? Tip number 2 goes a little bit with tip number 1, and that is in the way that you just have to be a little bit more well-rounded as a person. If you are going to the same place over and over again, say you like to hike, and you, with your friends, you only go hiking every time. And you only want to go hiking every time. You don't want to do anything else, you just go hiking every time. And you think that they like it, but really they're thinking you're a boring person. It's not because you're a boring person, it's because you're doing the same thing over and over and over again. So maybe being a more well-rounded person, just put that into perspective as maybe we just have to do something else. I like to hike, but maybe I should try something new and go do something else. And that actually brings us into tip number 3, which is to try new things. And guys, trying new things can go anywhere from going to a new restaurant to going skydiving. It can be anything you set your mind to. I mean, anything. And really, it's gonna make you a more well-rounded person as you're just doing new things. If you're always a snowboarder, why don't you try skiing? It's just a new thing that you try that's gonna upgrade your skill set. Alright guys, tip number 4 on the list is to just try to meet new people every single day. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's the geeks or if it's the popular kids. It doesn't matter. There's always the diamond in the rough. And trust me when I say that, because I found those people from doing this. If you just try to talk to somebody new every single day of your life, it's gonna make your life a lot better and a lot happier, because a lot more people are gonna know you and a lot more people are gonna like you, because if you present yourself in a positive way, it's contagious and people really love that positivity, so they're gonna like you. The final tip on this list is to just constantly seek self-improvement. If you're not willing to change yourself for the better, there's no point in even coming here. You came here for one reason and one reason only, and that's 5 tips on how to stop being a boring person. And that in itself is its own self-improvement. And if you're not willing to just put in a little bit of effort to make yourself a better person and make yourself happier, then there's no point in you even trying. I want to thank you for watching my video, and I also want you to ask you guys to click that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and this is my first video. I mean, there's many to come in the future, and I'm hoping for you guys to like it. So please like, subscribe, and comment anything that I could improve on or I could help. Just constructive criticism only, please, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.